Hi children! Today I am here with an interesting origami. What is origami? Yes, paper folding. Parents, please provide a square piece of brown or orange colored paper of size 6 into 6 centimeter. Also, child should have your supervision while doing this activity. Children, we are going to make a dog's head. Shall we begin? Now, take paper in your hand. Fold it diagonally in triangular shape. You have to fold like this to get a triangular shape and press it. Now you will get triangular shape. Now, fold exact in half. This you have to make it half. Like this, you have to make it half. Are you doing, children? Yes. Then, open the last fold. That is, this fold we have to open it. Okay. Did you open? Yes. Now, see, you can see here, fold. Yes. From there, from the middle, fold both the end of the paper in slanting position. From the middle, you have to fold like this. In a slanting position. See, slanting. See, this line is not in straight. It is slanting position. Okay, both the end. So, other side also we are going to fold it in slanting position. Yes. Now, did you get this much? Yes. Then, turn over the paper. You have to turn this. Okay. And fold a little portion from the top. This is the top portion. Here you have to fold a little backward. Okay, like this. Got it? Like this. Then from the bottom also, from the bottom, this is the bottom portion. From here also we have to fold a little. See, like this. You have to fold like this. Okay, see, from the top and from the bottom we have fold a little. Okay, now turn this paper. Now you will get like this. Now you have to take a black ink pen. Which colored pen? Black ink pen. Then draw 2 circles for the eyes. See, this is the position of eyes. 2 circles. And inside also we can draw small circle. Okay, and we can color that small circle. Then it look like eyes. Now, here comes this nose. For nose also we can draw one small circle. Inside of that we can draw small circle. So we got nose. And I know you have already learned how to draw upward curve. Yes? So from here you can draw one upward curve. Okay? Upward curve. And also you can draw one more upward curve. And here 2 slanting lines. So it look like mouth. Okay. Now, for the both the cheeks, you can put some dots. Yes. Now, this looks like a dog's head. Right? Now, dog's head is ready. See, children, here is a worksheet for you to do. First, you have to color the picture. Okay. Here the question is, color the picture and stick the head for the dog in right position. Okay. This is a kennel and this is a plate for a dog to have food and this is a dog. Children, did you notice that there is no head for the dog? There is no head for the dog. Right? Here is the place that we have to stick the origami paper or folding paper that we have done. And children, one more thing. If you have taken orange color paper for origami, you have to color orange color for the dog's body. Or if you have taken brown color for the head, you have to color brown color for this body. Okay, now Miss have taken orange color, so I am going to give orange color for the body. And you can give your favorite color for this kennel. Okay? And children, after coloring, your worksheet will look like this. And take dog's head in your hand. Put some glue on it. Yes. Now where we have to stick? Head, dog's head. There is a right position. See, you have to stick head for the dog. Yes. Now this worksheet is completed. Okay. What we have done is origami. Okay. Yes. Have you all done? Good children. That is all for today's class. Bye bye.